All right, also in Benton, Arkansas here. Um, this is the site of the Walmart Museum, or what used to be, because apparently they've torn it down. I was here probably, I don't know, 5 years ago. This is kind of what it used to look like on the outside, the facade. Let's see if we can take a sneak peek in here. Alright, it's completely gone. That's strange. Surprised they tore it down completely. I mean, this was the original Walmart location. As far as I could tell, it was just a little tiny store. In this old part of town here. This is a nice little downtown, though. I'll give it that. It's nice and clean, and there's restaurants and things. I'm shocked they pulled this down, and then they went to this extent to create a what is this, like a wind barrier that resembles the original Walmart. I guess they'll recreate it some way, somehow. Ooh, check out this 2002 BMW. You don't see those very much. It's kind of a rare sight nowadays. That's cool. That's the type of car you really don't see this generation of German cars in this part of the country. So that's interesting. Well, anyway, that's what's left of the Walmart Museum. It's kind of a cool neon sign there. You can see it says Bentonville Incorporated, downtown Bentonville. It's not an old sign, it just looks like an old sign, but that's cool.